What happens to your body if you drink rosemary tea every day? Rosemary is a natural herb from the Salvia Rosmarinus plant. This has been used in cooking for at least 5,000 years and also has some exciting health benefits when you drink it steeped in hot water every day. In this video, I will share these benefits and how to use it properly to actively help to improve your overall health. All the research links are in the video description. Benefit number 1 is improving hair growth. When you steep 2 sprigs of rosemary in warm water for 10 minutes and then drink it, the active compounds enter your bloodstream and reach your scalp. There they help to reduce DHT, a hormone responsible for shrinking hair follicles. One famous trial showed that rosemary oil was just as effective as the leading hair loss drug minoxidil at increasing hair count over 6 months. Rosemary also helps to widen blood vessels and deliver more oxygen to the hair roots. For maximum effect, you can also apply diluted rosemary essential oil directly to the scalp between washes. It doesn't just help your hair, however, it can also improve memory. The carnosic acid found in rosemary tea actually crosses the blood-brain barrier. When it's inside your brain, it helps to raise acetylcholine levels, which your brain uses for learning, memory, concentration, and focus. Studies show that simply being exposed to these active compounds that are found in rosemary significantly improves memory, speed, and accuracy. It also neutralizes free radicals in the brain to help protect the neurons against oxidative damage that tends to come with age. Now, number 3 is clearing the airways. Pollen or dust in the air can cause the immune system to overreact, sometimes causing a runny nose, watery eyes, or mucus in the back of the sinuses. Rosmarinic acid from rosemary, however, has been shown to help stop this reaction by stabilizing mast cells so they do not release as much histamine. Clinical trials show that taking rosmarinic acid daily significantly reduces swollen nasal passages and itchy, watery eyes compared to a placebo. After drinking rosemary tea for a few weeks, you may notice that your airways feel a lot clearer when you're breathing. Try using a steam inhaler pot by adding rosemary leaves and hot water to increase circulation to the nose and sinus. Rosemary tea can also help to calm stress levels. Constant emotional stress causes your adrenal glands to flood your body with cortisol, the stress hormone. But people often notice when they're using herbs like rosemary, mint, or thyme, often they feel a lot calmer and more relaxed. Simply inhaling the aroma of rosemary tea as you drink it sends signals to the olfactory bulb in your brain. Clinical studies show that this instantly alters your brainwave activity and reduces cortisol levels, very quickly shifting your nervous system out of the fight or flight mode and into a state of deep relaxation. Placing a few drops of rosemary oil on a tissue by your bedside and inhaling the aroma can also help relax the body. Benefit number 5 is fighting inflammation. When you have achy joints or muscle stiffness, it usually means your body is making too many inflammatory enzymes. This particular enzyme creates swelling, throbbing pains, or heat in different parts of the body. However, rosmarinic acid in rosemary tea is a powerful COX-2 inhibitor. It works through a similar pathway to over-the-counter painkillers. Studies show that this mechanism actively switches off that inflammatory blood flow, helping to naturally reduce swelling and ease chronic joint discomfort. The benefits also extend to your liver as well. Your liver is working non-stop, breaking down fats, hormones, and toxins to protect the body against toxicity. But when you consume a lot of sugar or refined carbs, your liver has to start storing this excess energy as fat. Now, rosemary tea activates phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification enzymes in the liver. The studies show us that the carnosol in rosemary acts as a powerful hepatoprotective agent in animal studies, meaning that it physically helped to protect the liver cells against damage. It also stimulates the production of bile, which acts like a detergent to help break down and flush out stagnant fat and toxins from the liver. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to your rosemary tea to further boost bile flow and liver cleansing. Number 7 is youthful skin. Rosemary leaves are also high in natural antioxidants called camphor, cineole and rosmarinic acid. These help to block the formation of sticky proteins that bind to your collagen. These are the proteins that normally cause the skin to become stiff, wrinkled and prone to sagging. It works simply by improving blood flow to the skin, delivering more oxygen and nutrients so the skin cells can start to naturally repair themselves and build healthier, more youthful tissue. You can also use cold brewed rosemary tea as a daily facial toner to help tighten the pores and reduce redness. Benefit number 8 involves blood sugar. As I said before, sugar and starchy carbs quickly turn into blood sugar and raise insulin. If you are insulin resistant, your cells start to block this process, leaving sugar floating in your bloodstream. However, research shows that carnosol in rosemary helps to remove that sugar from the blood by helping your muscle cells open up and absorb that glucose even without insulin. This makes a daily cup of rosemary tea a wonderful habit for lowering fasting blood sugar and protecting your metabolism. Benefit number 9, protecting eyesight. As we age, the macular cells in the eyes can start to degenerate, so your central vision becomes less sharp or becomes blurry. This can be worsened by using smartphones and computers which are emitting blue wave frequency light. Clinical models, however, show that carnosic acid, which is in rosemary, actually helps to protect the cells in the retina and the macula, making it a powerful tool to help protect your eyes as you get older. It also has a similar effect on the nerves. Your brain is essentially a complex electrical grid. Sometimes the signals can fire way too fast, causing a kind of short circuit in your nervous system. This electrical overactivity can leave you feeling restless with irritation in your body or nervousness. Now, rosemary works like a brake pedal for this electricity by increasing GABA activity in the brain. This essentially naturally calms down those overexcited nerves. Number 11 is fighting bad bacteria. A poor diet or stress can cause harmful bacteria to overgrow in your digestive tract, leading to bloating, foul-smelling gas, and poor digestion. But rosemary leaves contain powerful volatile oils that act as natural antimicrobials. Studies show that these oils physically puncture the cell walls of harmful yeast and bad bacteria. This halts their growth without hurting your beneficial or friendly gut bacteria. Add a variety of herbs to your plate like oregano, rosemary, thyme, mint, basil and parsley to help keep your microbes in balance. Number 12 shrinks fat cells. Instead of drinking coffee, tea or soda which contains caffeine, you may notice when switching to herbal teas like rosemary or peppermint that you're much more likely to lose weight in a healthy and a natural way. Carnosic acid in rosemary helps to trigger the fat-burning enzyme called AMPK. This is a metabolic switch that signals your muscles and liver to burn stored fat as energy. Over time, fat cells begin to shrink when combined with fasting and a low-carb lifestyle. And there's also the benefit of clearing water retention. If you often wake up with a puffy face or swollen ankles, the body is likely holding on to too much sodium, causing fluid retention. Drinking rosemary tea, however, acts like a natural diuretic. Studies show that the active compounds in rosemary signal your kidneys to filter out excess sodium. So this helps to naturally flush trapped water out of the body through the urine. By reducing excess fluid, rosemary tea is also a fantastic daily habit to help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. So now that you've heard the science, let's take a look at how to consume rosemary. Begin with 1 or 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary about 2 inches long each, or 1 heaped teaspoon of dried rosemary. Steep this in a cup containing 8 ounces of water. Steep it for 8 minutes to allow the herb to infuse properly, and drink this 1 to 2 times a day for the best effects. Make sure that you cover the cup or the teapot with a lid whilst it steeps, because the active ingredients will escape via the steam if you don't. Never boil the leaves on the stove, as a rolling boil will also destroy the delicate antioxidants. For best results, drink the tea at the same time as eating a meal which contains some healthy fats, like eggs, avocado, or extra virgin olive oil. Fats help to stimulate bile, so you can absorb more beneficial compounds from the tea. You can also add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, which will also help to protect those antioxidants during digestion. Other rosemary tips. If you want to, you can brew a large batch in the morning, cover it in the refrigerator, and then drink it throughout the day. It stays fresh and potent for about 2 to 3 days. What about the amount? 1 to 2 cups is the sweet spot per day, but drinking too much of this may upset your digestive system. Medication. Drink rosemary tea 2 hours before or after any medication, as it can influence blood sugar and blood pressure. Quality. Only use organic rosemary, since the non-organic type is sprayed with herbicides and pesticides, which are very unhealthy for gut microbes. Long-term use. Rosemary tea can be used safely long-term, but many people notice best results when they take a 1-week break every 8 weeks to prevent adaptation and to keep your body guessing. I'm Ryan, a certified nutritionist. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.